Hi, this is Fatema and I'm here to walk you through the installation of Simplus on Ubuntu operating system. First, you need to go to robo.simplus.ml website and then click on the installation button. Then choose Setup and Run for Ubuntu, based on the version of your Ubuntu operating system. Scroll a little and choose the installation section. Then download the installer file. You need to save the installer.zip file on your system. Extract the file wherever you want. Locate the installer _v4.sh file wherever you want the Simplus platform to be installed. Right-click on the directory that the Simplus script file is located in, and then open the terminal. Type sudo space sh space installer _v4.sh. Wait a few minutes. The installer file will install all the required packages for you. You will be asked to press enter, and then you should press enter to let the script continue its installation. After the installation is done, you can use the ls command to see the list of downloaded files. The Simplus _vrep is the root directory of the project. You will see that we mention this directory in our tutorials a lot. Change your directory to Simplus _ubuntu. By using the ls command, you will find simplus.sh script in this directory. Run this script using the sh command. Now the Simplus panel will be open. In order to open the simulator, you just have to click on the Open Simulator button. You will see Capella Sim Simulator, Game Manager, and Simplus Monitor will be opened. You can upload your code using the Simplus panel or run the sample code. In order to run the code, you just have to click on Clear button, then Run Client button, and then Run Server button. Wait a few seconds and you will see that Simplus robot will move in the environment based on the sample code. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching.